Okay, so this is a package. Nimbus Unicycle. You can see here, 5 to 7 feet. Okay, so that is everything. You can see this part is already pre-assembled to 5 feet. Okay, so if you want to make it 7 feet, you need to insert this 400 millimeter tube to here. Okay, and then this 400 millimeter tube are gonna go to here. And then you have this saddle. You can see this is a 400 millimeter one. It's go up to 350, and then you have to have like about 2 inch of insert. So that will go here. Okay. And then you have the train. 5 feet is already there. The train for 5 feet is already there. So that is for the 7 feet option. And the basic tool is included. And then that is a basic white pedal. You can see there is a little card, assembly instructions. If you go on this website, unicycle.com/build, and then choose this 5-7 feet giraffe, you're gonna be able to download this document. You can see, so this is basic instructions. Okay, so this part is already assembled. You can see it's all solid. This is all fixed, so I don't have to assemble this part. I just need to put the tube and the seat with the saddle with the seat post. Okay, the other side. Let me see. This is also all fixed. Okay. So this part, as you can see, there's a little ridge in here. You just fade to here. Just push it in. Okay. And then obviously you need to tighten this a little bit. Okay. And then tighten this part. Maybe I will make it a little bit tighter for this. Okay. I think this part should be already tightened. Let me just take a look here. Yeah, I can tighten it a little bit more. Okay. The train is very good, you can see. It's supposed to be, the place supposed to be 1/2 inch. I think it's perfect. Okay. And this tire is already in the center. Okay. So this is left side. Okay. So I'm gonna put the saddle this way because that's left side, okay? Okay, I don't think I need this. Oh, you know what? So you can see it doesn't really go all the way. Basically, it stopped right there. Okay. Obviously, this is too loose. Gonna tighten it a little bit. Okay, just need to put the pedal in place. This one says left. I just need the left one. This is the left one. Okay. Remember, for the left one, it's this way to put it in. Okay. For the right one is the typical way. So this is this way. This tool is included, so I can just use this tool to tighten this. Remember, it is this way. It's this way. Yes, should be this way. Yes. Okay. That's tight enough. Okay. This is the right. Put it this way. That's the right. The right is easier, just the normal way to put it in. Okay, I think that's tight enough. Okay, so now everything's assembled. So basically it's very easy. It's already pre-assembled, so I just need to put this tube, put the seat in place, and then I have additional tube if I want 7 feet, and then I have the tools, and then that's the train for the 7 feet. So they have a little plastic container. I can put this train inside. Okay. So this one, I already put it all the way. Okay. So that is the lowest point for this saddle. Okay. I'm gonna measure the distance from the saddle to this pedal. I think the website claims it's 32 inch. Okay, so let me see if that's true. Okay, so it's more like a 31 inch. Okay. So I'm measuring from top of the saddle to top of the pedal. It is about 31 inch. Let me try it again. Yeah, it is 31 inch. Okay, now I'm gonna measure the height of this unicycle when the saddle is at the lowest position. I would say it's 63.5. Okay. This is from unicycle.com's website. You can actually calculate the minimum height of the unicycle. So when I calculate, is 5 feet 3.8. So it's very similar to my measurement, which is a 63.5 inch. Okay. Okay, so right now I'm pull this up all the way. You can see that is 350. I think that's all the way. I can probably raise it a little bit, but I will just count at the highest point because there is no more these rulers. Okay, so that's in here. I'm gonna measure how tall this unicycle is. I think it's almost 75 inch, maybe 74.5. Okay, now I'm gonna measure the distance from the pedal to the saddle. It's like 42 inch. If you want to make the unicycle 7 feet, you can just add this little piece. This piece is identical to this piece, which is 40 centimeter. You can actually measure it. You can see it is at 40 centimeter or 400 millimeter. Okay, I'm comparing my old Torker Giraffe unicycle. You can see this one, the Nimbus one, is a little bit taller, even though this is all the way down. But you can see I measured right now from the saddle to the pedal. This is a 31 inch, and then this one is a little bit taller, but this is still 31 inch, so it should work. I think I can increase this, but I guess this height is good enough for now. This is a tire. It says inflate to 45 to 75 psi, and then the size is 20 by 1.95. So the pressure it's almost 20, so I just need to pump it a little bit. So I pump it to 45. I think that's good enough for now. So this is the make of the tire, Dura X Performer. Okay, the size, we already looked at it, and the pressure.